Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of class 10th, that is image formation by the convex lenses. So you know very well the convex lens, that is a converging lens which converges the incident rays after refraction. So first we are taking object at infinity. So please see this video. सपोज ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिचुएटेड एट इन्फिनिटी, कहीं पे भी सिचुएटेड है इन्फिनिटी, वी डोंट नो कि ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिचुएटेड वेयर. सो द रेज कमिंग पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, द रेज विच इज कमिंग पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन इट विल मूव पास आउट थ्रू द फोकस. So the image will form on the focus point. The image is forming at f2. You can see the image is very small, just like a point, means image highly diminished है, and the image will form, it will be real. Real image always inverted होती है, तो जो image form हो रही है वो highly diminished है, रियल है और इन्वर्टेड है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट सेकेंड वन इज दी, सपोज ऑब्जेक्ट सेकेंड इज ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिचुएटेड बियॉन्ड 2f1. सपोज द ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिचुएटेड हियर, ये ऑब्जेक्ट है ए एंड बी. नाउ वी विल अप्लाई टू रूल्स एंड फॉर्म द इमेज. फर्स्ट, the ray incident ray is coming parallel to the principal axis. ये principal axis है, इसके parallel जो भी rays आती है वो always कहाँ से move करती है, focus point से, f2 से move करेगी. अब second, you can take this one, the ray is passing out through the O, और जब भी ray O से pass out होती है तो bend नहीं होती, straight निकल जाती है. तो you can see कि the ray is passing out through the O and the image is forming. The ray is passing out through the O. It will move straight. यहाँ O से जो pass out होती है वो straight निकलती है, कहीं भी bend नहीं होती है. Where these two rays meeting, these two rays are meeting here, so image will be formed here. Now what type of image is forming? You can see कि जो image है वो diminished है, inverted है. रियली रेज मीट हो रही है तो इमेज इज रियल, इन्वर्टेड एंड डिमिनिश्ड, मीन्स स्मॉलर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड इट इज फॉर्मिंग बिटवीन f2 एंड 2f2. f2 एंड 2f2 के बीच में फॉर्म हो रही है. थर्ड सिचुएशन कि व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिचुएटेड एट 2f1. सपोज दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज सिचुएटेड एट 2f1. Now how the image will form? Same two rules we will apply. First, the ray is coming parallel to the principal axis. ये principal axis के parallel आ रही है. Then it will move from the f2. Okay. Second, same will pass out through the O. Second ray O से pass out होगी. And where these two rays are meeting, there will be the image formed. Now the ray is passing out through O and we are getting the image, means both the lines are meeting here, so image will form on 2f2. This is the image formed on 2f2. What type of image it will be? The rays are really meeting, so image will be real, inverted and equal size of the object. Same size of the object we are getting the image, and it is getting on 2f2. Okay, you can see कि the ray is passing through the O. It will move straight. Here both the rays are meeting. These are meeting on 2f2. Means जो image बनेगा वो image बनेगा 2f2 पे. इमेज कैसा होगा? सेम साइज का होगा, जितना ऑब्जेक्ट है उतना ही इमेज का साइज होगा, एंड इमेज रियल होगी और इन्वर्टेड होगी, मीन्स a डैश b डैश. यू जस्ट रिमेम्बर कि जो इमेज हम फॉर्मेशन कर रहे हैं, तो जो इमेज, सॉरी, the next position. Object is situated between f1 and 2f1. You can see कि जो object है वो f1 और 2f1 के बीच में situated है. Now how the image will form? First rule we will apply कि the ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, so it will move from the focus point. Point से move करता है. Second ray will move from the optical center. ये optical center से move करेगी तो without bending it will move straight. Now you can see कि both the rays are meeting here, means the image is forming beyond 2f2. यहाँ पे image बन रहा है 2f2 के beyond, and image will be real, inverted and bigger than the object. You can see कि the image is bigger than the object. Now the next one is the object is situated at f1. You can see कि this object AB situated here on f1. Now the ray is going parallel to the principal axis. It will move from the focus point. It is moving from the focus point. Second, the ray is passing out through the optical center. Second ray, second rule, optical center से pass out होगी कि they are meeting on the infinitive. If we will increase more than these lines, they will meet on the infinitive, and the image we are getting at the infinitive. What type of image will be there? This is the real image, inverted image, but it is very larger than the object. Means this is the highly magnified image. Now the last of this convex lens, this is the situation that object is situated between f1 and lens. You can see कि जो object है वो object AB f1 और O के बीच में situated है. Now the ray is coming parallel. This ray will pass out through the focus point, and second ray will pass out through the optical center. Now the second ray will pass out through the optical center. You will see that we will increase the lines. They will not meet this side. इस side वो नहीं meet होगी. So we have to increase them at the back side. We are increasing them at the back side, and where they are meeting, you will see कि here they are meeting, and the object, the image is forming between f1 and 2f1. Means image will form on the same side of the object, and the image will be virtual, not real. Here the image will be virtual because really the rays are not meeting, just it is supposed to meet. And if it is virtual, it means it is erect and it is bigger than the object. Students always remember that in convex lens, when we are moving towards the lens, suppose we are keeping the object here, when we are moving towards the lens, the image always form beyond the lens. Means the image in the first stage, when it is infinitive, image is forming here. Then again in the next stage it is forming here, then on the 2f2, and afterwards it is just beyond 2f2, and at the last it will be in the at the infinitive. So when we are moving towards the lens, the image will always move far away from the lens. So just remember this thing.